What's up, bitches?
Make sure this thing's on.
Yeah, it's on. So, I'm gonna do something fucking different today. I don't fucking drink Mickey's, but I don't know how good this is. Had them before. Long time ago. But I'm gonna try to drink this. We'll say make it a 5-minute 40 video. How about that? Not bad. Not bad at all. Ooh, that was a good one. Ooh, that bitch is this motherfucker makes you burp pretty powerful. Yeah, but I won't make a 5-minute 40 video. Maybe I'll just fucking make a burping video. Oh yeah, definitely a burping video. I don't know why people like burping videos or farting videos, but it's kind of funny though. I had a fucking, I had a fucking court this morning at 10:30. I fucking missed it. I didn't put out a bench warrant, but I went back at 1:30 though and got that shit fucking solved. I was scared for a minute there, I'm not gonna lie. Bet you fuckers never thought you'd see me drinking a fucking Mickey's 40. But I was in the liquor store. When I saw it, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have to make a fucking Mickey's video. God damn, this shit makes you burp a lot. I'm not really big on being a power drinker, guys. I mean, I can if I really want to, but I got this one. And believe it or not, I bought a second one. But I'm not going to be drinking 2 40s in 10 minutes, so that's not what this video is about. So don't even fucking think that. Some bitch. Well, everybody knows what that is. I don't know why the fuck it's called the swill. I was growing up, I always heard swill was like you're swilling on a beer, not this is the swill, but whatever. Oh, I got to sneeze. I gotta say though, the bottom of this beer does not taste the same as the top of it. When you get down to this part of the beer, it's not as good as it was up here.